Kevin, is that you? Kevin! 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 Kevin, come and check! Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Can someone hear me? Can someone hear my voice? Who is here? Can someone hear my voice? Who is here? Who entered this house now? I know somebody entered this house. Who entered this house? Who is here? Who is here?
Hello, please, come to my house. Come and rescue me. Armed robbers just barged into my house right now. Please, come and rescue me. I'm in serious danger right now. Please, my friend, please, come to my rescue immediately. Please.
Who is there? Somebody just entered this house now. Who entered this house? is there? Kevin, is that you? Kevin? Hello? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Why is this person don't want to talk? Who is there? Who is there? Who is this person? Hey! How dare both of you enter my house? How dare you people? So, you think it's every man's house you guys will barge in? Better, hey, if you wave your hand again, I'm going to deal with you. You better surrender yourself. The police is here. Hey! Come this way! Criminals! I'm going to deal with both of you. Yes, the police is here. You can come in. Both of you, go down.
Hey, everybody.
Go down. You are still looking at me. Go down. Keep everything you stole on this table. Keep them on this table. Be fast. Give me that gun. Give me that gun. Drop everything. I said you should drop. Open that bag and drop
Remove
everything.
this thing on your faces right now. Oh yeah, stand up. Kneel like this. Be fast. You go about. This is the kind of work you guys do.
So
right?
You guys are the people terrorizing this estate.
No, sir. No, sir. We just started innocent. We just started it, sir.
And you thought that
You just started what? You started what?
We are-
Gallivanting with all these masquerade faces you have here.
We are sorry. We are sorry, man.
every time we are getting this kind of news all the time. They will cover their face and barge into someone's house, steal everything, loot everything and get out.
Sir, please, can you give me this gun? It's like I'm going to waste
No,
life here.
Please, you can waste his life, not mine. Please.
No.
Please.
Jesus!
No.
You guys should search your pocket, search your pocket.
Turn
Search
open
your
this bag now, right now.
Okay,
Open it and bring out everything.
Bring out everything.
Bring it out now.
Fast about
Bring
it.
it out. Bring it out. You want to waste your life. Bring it out.
Keep everything on that table. Keep everything. Thieves. Hey! Be fast. Do something stupid. You guys think that I'm bright. Just imagine.
Just look at your jobs.
Just look at. Hey, come.
Hey, bring out that
Come.
thing. Do you want me to? You want the blood to spill out here? Are you sure?
Yes,
Search yourselves
Everything was inside the
and remove your tops. Remove it now. One.
Remove our top.
Hey, be fast.
about it.
Don't repeat it.
One.
Be fast, my friend. You can't even eat good food. Be fast.
If you waste my time, I will waste you right now.
Remove everything. Be fast about that.
Now, move it. Hand over this to me. Hand over to me. Give me the mask.
Officer,
Get up.
I believe you will do your job now.
Be fast. Consider yourself gone. Thieves.
You guys think you guys are smart. You are not smart. Look at them. Scary what? My money is back.